Hello, how we going? Finally got a greyhound. Which is Kato. So it runs really well. I got my double stack going. I like running my double stack. Oh, I gotta slow down for. Didn't like something. So what have we done? Absolutely nothing. It's been too hot. So we haven't done anything. Except for just broad new stuff. That's pretty good out of that pool's set up. 2% grade with no dramas. I'm happy with it anyways. Let's slow down again. Why does it keep slowing down? So that there, that's really nice. And the dog, why that keeps slowing down? Something's not happy. Oh yeah, I'll see what it is. There you go, it's come off. There we go, so that's done. So I have replaced the signal over here which didn't work properly. Well, that one now works. Just flick it back around the other way. I got that thing. That runs alright. Something different anyways. And I've also got the PAs and the Santa Fe. They're actually quite nice. They're a different red to everything else. So that was the colour back in the day. And the main concern I've got is this hill. Because when I sit down, my control panel's down here. So when I sit here, I look across there, I see a hill. I'm wondering why, what's wrong with that? Because it's summer over here, we're having a lot of expansion problems. And I can't see this. I've got to be able to see it. But if it's slightly out, trains derail and it's just absolutely mad. So just from the heat we have in Perth, in Australia, it's created some drama. So, unfortunately, it's got to go. So yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do, but we'll figure that out as we go along. There's my broken one, which I dropped. Yeah, I know, I'm not happy either. So, I don't know what to do, but we'll figure that out. It's just been too hot to work on it. And I need to change that so I can see. I'm not too sure what to do. Yeah, I just don't know. Should I chop it or move the tunnel somewhere else? Back over in this corner. Yeah, I don't know yet. And the other thing is the pine trees, you just can't get them. Just can't get them, and that really sucks. But that's the way it goes with COVID. Just things aren't getting made anymore. But they're still making locomotives, which is good. I'll give myself another one of them, mate. Yeah. I was looking at a G-scale one. It's like $3,500 US. But yeah, that would look really nice on a shelf. So I don't know, yeah, I might just put a shelf in here and put that on it. Never run it, but yeah, I reckon that'd be good. So I've been thinking. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. If I rip the hill out, I might as well change the whole thing. But I like the design I've got at the moment. Oh, just knock the camera around a bit, boys. You can see sick, it's alright. But yeah, I just don't know what to do, because I've got to be able to see that. It's the only thing I want to be able to see. It's the only spot I'm going to get derailments. With Kato track, you just don't get derailments. You get locos playing up every now and then, but yeah, we shall see. And I'm back on my phone again, because the camera's nice, but yeah, I don't like it. There's still crap everywhere, as you can see. But yeah, we'll get there. Oh, enjoy. Have a good one.